Hi, my name's Richard Robinson from Desire Audio Visual. I've been asked today to give a quick 1-minute demonstration on one of our products. I've chosen the Promethean LCD interactive display. Now, one of the major deterrents for schools to change from a whiteboard to an LCD is the whiteboard functionality. So I just quickly want to focus on that for a moment. Now, with the Promethean, all you need to do is walk in, turn it on, and then select the whiteboard. Once you're in the whiteboard function, you can immediately start writing away quite easily, either with your finger or with a stylus. Erasing is done with either an eraser, which comes with the board, or the palm of your hand. Now you can quickly add some background lines, change the background line colours, even change the background colour. You can also change the thickness or the width of the lines to suit the kids. You've got pens and other various tools that you can select, such as split screen, to have two kids up here at the same time. Now, importing stuff or writing stuff is very easy as well. You can import things from your own PC and dump them on top. Once you do have an object on here, whether it's something you've imported or something you've drawn yourself, you can resize it, shape it, move it over the page however you want to do it. So there's so many more features I'd love to show you. Oh, just quickly, saving. It's as easy as throwing a USB stick in the front, hit your 3 dots and select export the PDF screenshot. So it will save it as a PDF, which you can then download onto your computer or share it out with the kids. Again, there's a lot more features that I'd love to go into, but unfortunately we just don't have the time today. But if you give us a call, our office number 4981 8626, and we can arrange a demonstration where we'll bring a screen out to your school. If you already have the Promethean and would like some more training, we're happy to do that. So just give us a call and yeah, we'll look after you. Thank you.